Take a moment to read the question. So we have been given a trigonometric equation and we have to find out the value of cos 4x. How do we do this question? Well, the first step would be to write down everything in terms of sin x and cos x. So this is what we get when we replace tan squared x with sin squared x by cos squared x, and also cos 2x with 2 cos squared x minus 1. Now the right hand side of this equation can be further simplified and written down like this. Now multiplying both sides of this equation by cos squared x, we can write it down in this form. Now sin squared x is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. So we can replace it and we can write down the equation in this form. So expanding everything, we get this, and now we can bring all the terms to one side and we find that we have a quadratic equation in cos squared x. To solve this equation, we will replace cos squared x with t and write it down in this form. So this is a simple quadratic equation. It can be factored like this. So we find that we have 3t minus 1 times 3t plus 5 equals 0, which means the values of t are 1 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. But then t is equal to cos squared x. So the negative value has to be rejected, which means cos squared x is equal to 1 by 3. From this, let us find out 2 times cos squared x minus 1. So that would be equal to 2 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. But then this is equal to cos 2x. So we have found out the value of cos 2x. So cos 4x, we can write it down in terms of cos 2x like this. We know the value of cos 2x, so we can plug in and we find that this is 2 by 9 minus 1, which is equal to minus 7 by 9. So the correct answer is option 3.